Raise your hand if you remember the One School, One Book program. Hands down. For the really important part, raise your hand if you remember voting in our cafeteria. Now for the hard question. Who remembers which book you voted for? This assembly is to find out, well, what book are we going to read after winter break this year? I don't even know which book it is yet. Do you guys want to find out? I can see it. Can you? Want me to hold it up? Okay. So everyone in here will get a copy of this book. You guys voted for it, and so this is the book the whole school will get to read. Give yourselves a round of applause for being great voters.